everybody, we will talk about the joints.
Let's go!
Immovable joints don't move. The dome of the skull, which moves slightly during the birth and then fuse together as the skull finishes growing.
Partly movable or cartilaginous joints move a little. They are linked by cartilage as in the spine.
Bridge movable or sineable. Joints move in many directions. The main joints of the body, such as toes, bones at the hip, shoulders, elbows, knees, wrists, and necklaces, are freely movable. Three kinds of freely movable joints play a big part in voluntary movements. 1. Hinge joints allow movement in one direction. 2. Pivot joints allow a rotating or twisting motion. 3. Ball and socket joints allow the greatest freedom of movement.
We can't move without joints.
The respiratory system extracts oxygen from the air, a gas our cells need to live and grow. The respiratory system also eliminates carbon dioxide that cells produce after using oxygen. This process is known as respiration. Respiration is an automatic, involuntary process. Air comes in through your nose and encounters little hairs that moisten it, heat it, and clean it to keep dirt out of your lungs. The air continues down the pharynx, the larynx, and then the trachea. The trachea, or windpipe, splits into two to make the bronchus inside the lungs. Once the air is inside the lungs, it goes through pathways called bronchioles. Your lungs are the most important organs in respiration. They take the oxygen from the air and expel the carbon dioxide that your body doesn't need. The alveolar sacs take that oxygen and send it to the blood to distribute through all the organs and cells of our body. The diaphragm located under your lungs helps fill the lungs with air. Inhale. It also expels the air your body doesn't need. Exhale. The air we exhale contains carbon dioxide and waste, and it is hot. You can feel the heat if you put your hand over your mouth when you breathe out. Smoking and pollution can harm your respiratory system. Exercise and breathing clean air are really important to take good care of it.
In the digestive system, the mechanical action of teeth grinds food down into smaller particles, and the chemical and wetting action of saliva begins the breakdown of starches into more digestible sugars. The food is pushed through the esophagus into the stomach, where gastric acids and muscular churning continue the chemical and mechanical digestion of proteins in the food. In the duodenum, food continues to be digested by the action of other pancreatic and bile secretions. The digested food is absorbed by the body as it passes through the small intestine and moves through the large intestine and rectum.
Hello guys, I love to eat, you love to eat, we love to eat. We tend the digestive system. First, it's a mood.
While the teeth may be the most durable sometimes in the body, we still need to take care of them. Brushing your teeth is just one way to care for your teeth. What happens to your teeth when you don't take care of them properly? How does smoking affect your pupils, teeth, gums, and overall healthy? How about caring so body?
Name the 4 types of the teeth people have in their mouths. In science, canines, premolars, molars. In sciences. Which part joins the tooth with the J-bone?
I think 7.
Yes. List 3 ways to prevent tooth decay and gum disease, and any 3 of the following: brush teeth at least twice per day. Use toothpaste with fluoride floss once a day. Visit a dentist twice a year. Eat healthy diet. Don't smoke.
Hello my friends, today in our school we made Steam of the Stage. Today I'm going to talk about human reproduction system. Human reproduction system, organ system by which humans reproduce and bear live offspring, prevent all organs and present normally constant and function properly. The instant feature of human reproduction are elimination of an ovum or egg at a specific time in the reproduction cycle, international fertilization of the ovum by spermatozoa of sperm cells transport of fertilized ovum to a traces of worm, implantation of blastocysts. The early embryo developed from the fertilized ovum in womb, of the rotated formation of the penis and of unborn child during the interim period of gestation, birth of the child, and explanation of the penis as slugging and care of the child with a electric return and maternal organs to reach the organal state. Thank you for listening to me.